Good morning, you guys. It is 8:30 in the morning. I know I look crazy. I'm just getting up. I have to go and take a shower and shave and stuff. I'm actually leaving to go out of town tomorrow. I decided to take you guys on one of my client trips with me. In 1,000,000,000,000,000 years, I couldn't have imagined being flown out to go do the thing that I love. And that is, I'm in the mirror right here. I'm actually going to New Jersey, and I just got back home yesterday from Atlanta. I went to go visit Toya and helped her get organized and stuff. And pretty much I'm gonna go to New Jersey, and then from New Jersey I am going to North Carolina, and then from North Carolina, Atlanta for another client, and then I'll be home. So pretty much up until the end of June I'll be traveling. Some of you guys, oh Lord, honey, oh, she looked crazy. Some of you guys asked me about the skincare that I was using. Just for the sake of y'all, I stopped using it, and I don't know if you guys, I can't really see, but hopefully you can see that I started breaking out again. So I stopped using the Curology for a week because some of you guys were just asking what happens if you stop, and I'm like anything, it just stops breaking. So I haven't used it in a week. The only thing that I've been doing is just using my regular soap and the Cetaphil, and the Cetaphil is like a moisturizer. And the reason why I personally like the Curology is because there isn't like all these steps. I did use a product in the past, I think it was called NX something. It was good too. The only problem is it was like a 6-step, and I can't. Okay, it's just too much. I end up using 1 or 2 things out of it, but for the Curology it was just that and then my moisturizer. So that's pretty much what I've been using. If you're wondering what the heck I'm doing, I'm actually going through my drawer, getting the things out that I know that I'm going to need. This is my prep and prime, right? All right. So yeah, I stopped using it, and now under my chin it's breaking out yet again. So if you're using it, and you have to keep using it, because literally today when I shower I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna use it tonight. I'm gonna go back to my normal routine. I do have a lot of cleansers and makeup removers and things like that. Do I use them all the time like I'm supposed to? No, you know, and I don't wear makeup all the time either. But anyway, I'm gonna go and get my nails done, so you guys are gonna hang with me. I'm gonna get my nails done. I'm gonna go to the grocery store, and I am going to come back home and pack my bags. I talked about this in the cleaning video with you guys, but this is the Bath and Body Works. It's so good. I absolutely love it. It's the Coco Shea Honey 24-hour moisture. I just like it because it smells really good. But here it is, you guys. It's really, really nice, and it smells real good. While looking for a lotion, try this. It smells really great. And then I keep this in the room because sometimes my son will take a shower in there. But this is raw sugar. It's a sugar scrub. It's pineapple and berry. I feel like just like the lip scrubs for your lips, clearly, your body needs to exfoliate and things of that nature, and you know, your sensitive parts. So I don't put that there. For that I use a sugar honey that I just make. But you should exfoliate. It's really good. This one here is a lip from, and it's honey from Lush. It's so good. The good thing about it is after you scrub your lips, do all of that, you can lick it. It's sugar, just like, yeah. So those are my things. If you ever see me out in the street and I'm ashy, just know I don't stink. I'm just ashy because by the time I get things situated, oh, that feels so good. That feels really good. By the time I get done taking care of everybody and everything, I don't feel like putting on lotion. So it's like, You guys, I am just now making it to the nail shop and there's nobody there. Well, I see someone sitting in the chair. Sorry. There's one person sitting in the chair, so I'm gonna go in there and write my name down. See, this is why I say it's good to make it early. It is 9:30 and they open at 9:20. Okay. So I'm excited. And get my purse. Y'all, if you're wondering, there's this Tammy Taylor P3. I'm definitely gonna cut them down because I've been banging them recently, which means they're too long. And normally I get them short and just let them kind of grow out and then I start over. So that's what I'm gonna do now. And then I'm gonna get a pedicure. I need a French manicure and all that good stuff. You guys, it's official. I bought a cup. It's so good. I hope you guys have tried it. I just wanted a clear cup just so I could see all my drinks and stuff. But it's official. You guys, oh, that felt so good. What time is it? Charging my phone. My phone is like dead. It died in the doggone salon. What time is it? I washed my hair inside. I'm just putting this Jo Malone. It's the Peony in Suede Blush. I love my little things so much that I just got these little hand ones. I did a giveaway and I sent this to someone. Well, it was a set of 3. I sent in a giveaway. And then I bought myself one. It's 11:30. And I think the last time that I talked to you guys, I was getting here at 11:30. And it's crazy because from the time I was there, which was about 9, let's just say 9:30 this morning, till now, there's been like, you know, 1 or 2 people coming in. But as I was leaving, 3 people were coming in. So I'm like, yeah, y'all not about to catch me out there. That's the thing about coming out early. I got me a good old pedicure. Wasn't nobody rushing on me. They was just massaging my little feet real nice and slow. Got me a good old little mani and got cut my nails down and stuff. So this, oh, it feels so much better. Listen, if you guys are wondering, it's Tammy Taylor P3. This is the color I've been wearing, the same cut, same style, same color day when I came onto my channel. The shape of it has changed over the course of the past, what, 4.5 years of me being on YouTube. But when I like something, I pretty much stick with it. So it's Tammy Taylor P3. Yeah, you know, doing this just stops me from biting my nails. Like, me biting my nails is real bad. The second I get nervous, I start to bite my nails. Even when I first started getting nails put on, and I didn't really start doing this nails religiously till I would say like maybe 26, 27, because even before, I would do it like when I was going somewhere, I had an event, or, you know, like I had something going on, like, you know, somebody was getting married or graduation or something like that. I'd go get my nails done. I would never get a fill. And I started consistently getting my nails done around 27, 28 religiously. Because, I don't know, I just felt like me biting my nails and my nails looking like I bit them. They were like baby nubs. It just wasn't cute.
and I try to go without nails, I still bite my nails. So it's just something that I guess I have to kind of work through. But that's my nervous thing, is biting my nails. It's not even any more left in here. It's basically like watered down, but it still tastes good. I'm thinking I want to go to TJ Maxx just so I can find like some regular basic tees that I can just wear with jeans and stuff. I know I'm not going to be getting all dolled up because I'm going to be working while I'm in Jersey. But do I want to spend the money? I don't think so. I'm going to stop at this store. I'm going to let you guys see it just a little bit. But I've already dealt with the owner before with the client. So what I'm gonna do is when my hair is done and my makeup and things like that, I'm gonna go back to the store and I'm gonna do a full video on it just to kind of show you guys the store, because my client, she's doing a whole new kitchen and bathroom, and we went with this company to get the tile. I want you guys to see it because this is not an option when you're doing like a built to grade home and stuff. Going into the store, I just want to show you guys some of the options that they have in there. I've shown you guys a little bit, but I didn't show you guys all she has to offer. And what's in the store isn't even all that she has to offer, because you can get a whole lot more things. I don't know if the guy next to her is open. I have to go there. Let me go over there. I'll see you guys in a bit. I'm gonna see if the guy is over there, because I actually want to look at some railings. I have a few more videos coming out of some homes that I toured while I was in Atlanta, and it's so crazy because the prices of the homes are going up, but the material isn't. Same cabinets. The house I saw a house for $1 million. The kitchen cabinets were basically the same cabinets that I'm seeing in a house for $200. And I don't know, if you live in Atlanta, just tell me, because if I'm wrong, I don't mind being wrong. But I feel like when I'm in Savannah, everyone is pretty chilled and pretty, laid back or whatever. And I lived in Atlanta for a really long time, like from the time I was 10 until I was 17, and then I came back as an adult, and then I moved out of Atlanta when I was 26. I moved out of Atlanta, and I've been here in Savannah. Savannah, this is what I noticed. This is just me though. Again, I could be wrong, but we'll just keep on going. Savannah, I meet people that look very disheveled, kind of like this, and they be, money. They come from money, like that long money. They're not rich. They're wealthy people, okay? And that was just like crazy, because for me, I feel like in Atlanta, people drive these fancy cars. They look all polished, and not all the time, but they don't be having their stuff together. So when I was looking at the houses when I was in Atlanta, I was like, oh, this is one of those like neighborhoods where, you go for tea and stuff, and you're like, yes, darling, I live at such and such estates and blah, 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 blah. And I'm just like, girl, for $1.3 million, I need to be able to at least put half of my family members in the house. Like, I want it to be so freaking lit. Like, I don't want to have to go to the gym. Like, I need a gym in my house, and I don't mean no makeshift gym. I'm talking about a full-on gym. There needs to be like a nice pool in the backyard, like a huge backyard. And I'm like, oh my goodness. I'm like 1.3. I mean, upstairs was like a box. Upstairs was a box, and it was just so cookie cutter. And I was just like, really? I'm sure you can find something for $1 million that's really nice. Like, I think Candy, y'all want some financial advice? Go watch Candy Burris, man. She bought, I think her house was like $1 million or $1 million point something, and it got like an in-law suite. It has all these freaking things. I'm just like, man, these are like appointment only, right? Oh, today's Monday. Today is Monday, y'all. So sorry, you guys. Today is Monday. Everybody's closed today. It's Memorial Day. This is gonna come out way after the fact. It's closed, which is good. I'll just wait. I'll go ahead and do my hair and do my makeup, and I'll do materials video is what I'll do. Don't ask me when, because I'm gonna try, but that's what I'll do. On one of my days off, I'll just come and do a materials video. That way you guys can see the many options that she offers when it comes to the tile, because it's just so beautiful. It's just so beautiful. I don't want to take the option of me having like a custom build one day off the table, but it's not on the table today. It's not on the table right this minute. It's not on the table in the next 2-3 years, I don't think. But I pray to God that one of these days in my life that I can do a custom home where I get to do my backsplash, pot filler, beautiful tile work, hone marble in my fireplace. Like, I would want to do that. I feel like when you talk about like having a luxury home and things like that and all these things, I think it just, the inside, the finishes should match that. And I would want 100% wood cabinet, because I can tell you now, all these homes, I saw a house for $675, $1,500,000, and I'm just like, y'all putting the same old pressed wood cabinets in here, and for the price that they're charging, you could really get a custom kitchen. I mean, custom kitchen. So, I'm not gonna take off the cars free yet. If it doesn't happen, I'm fine with that too. But I'm not gonna take it off the table as being an option for me. One day. Anyway, I am going to hop on the highway. I'm not gonna vlog in the grocery store. I already recorded a grocery video. It's not posted yet. By the time you guys see this, the video that has gone up is the Babe Doesn't Support Me video. Yeah, I get a lot of people that reach out to me asking me like all types of questions and stuff, and I'm just like, y'all, if you gotta ask somebody what to do, you ain't ready. You just gotta do it. And I think as women, and I could be wrong, but I'm just saying, as women, we know exactly what we want, and when you're ready to do something, you do it. If you're still having to ask people, you're not ready, or you're scared, or you know, whatever the case may be. Verifying. But we're normally pretty, I'm gonna do this, I don't care who like it, who don't like it, I'm gonna do it. So that was really the base of the video. It's like, don't wait on somebody supporting you or somebody giving you the okay on something. If you want to do something and you're truly passionate about it, just do it. And if you have a job, put a little bit of time, like put in your 8 hours, but then put 2 hours in, put in your whatever, and then put 2 hours in, you know, into whatever it is you're trying to do. But anyway, let me hop up on this highway, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all back at the house so I can pack my stuff. I'll see y'all in a little bit.